Happy Friday! Woo! 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 All right! And we had some help today by our doggy friend down the street. So, today we are with Miss Smith's class and Miss Kelly's class. Good, good. And this is our first moral focus assembly film, right? So you guys are gonna help me kick it off today. You know, this month is
wisdom.
Ah, good. Okay, so I have a book that is written by LeBron James. You know who LeBron James is? That's one of my favorite players, basketball players of all time, right? So, he wrote a book called I Promise. It's illustrated by Nina Mata, right? And before we start, I want you guys to introduce yourselves. You're being filmed and everybody needs to know who you are. So let's start with you, Queen. So, in that, right, this month is wisdom. We need to let everybody know what wisdom means. What does wisdom mean?
To do the right thing!
Yes. To do the right thing. So, we'll go to each one of you and you tell me what wisdom means to you. So, what's your name again, Queen? Samira, tell us what wisdom means to you.
Wisdom means to be respectful.
To be respectful. Very good. London, what does wisdom mean to you?
To do the right thing.
To do the right thing. All right. Does somebody got to be looking at you?
No.
So what does it mean?
To do the right thing when no one's looking.
Good. Carry on. What does wisdom mean to you?
Self-control.
Show self-control. Good stuff. You guys want to help me read LeBron's book?
Yes.
Good. I'm going to let you start, Terry. All right? So let's start it.
I promise to work hard and do what's right, to be a leader in this game of life.
Good. Wow. Man, that was all right. Good stuff. All right. London, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
I promise to go to school and read as much as I can.
Good.
To follow the rules and respect the game plan.
Wow. That was very good. Good stuff. Samira. Sorry. Samira. All right. Samira, here you go. Read that part for me. We start over here and read all over here. Let's go.
I promise to run full course and show up each time to get right back up and let my magic shine.
Good job. Now, I'm going to read some of it. I promise to be open and try new things and enjoy the happy that change can bring. Huh? Okay. I promise to wear a big smile and use kindness when I speak to remain strong yet humble with every win and defeat. Now, London, can you help me with this one?
Yep. I promise to ask for help wherever I need it, to reach for my star, even when I can't see it.
Wow. That was nice. That was a nice read. Okay. Samira, read these are here.
I promise to ask questions and find answers, to believe in next time and second chances.
Good, Samira. Good. All right, your turn, my man. Right here.
I promise to use my voice and stand up for what's right. And when things get tough, to keep up the fight.
So, I promise to stand tall, rise up, and give all that I've got, to throw the alley-oop and uplift others on the spot. Now, I just want to stop and talk a little bit about this, because we know who LeBron James is, right?
Yes.
Basketball player. And he's using basketball analogies to explain and applying it to life. So this is a very good book. You can see it throughout, parents. This would be a very good book, and I'm advertising for LeBron because I like the book. It's a really good book. So this is a good book, for the babies to practice reading. And as you can see, these babies, they're doing an excellent job and practice the reading every day, And for those of you who are watching, to do videos with me, that's what I'm going to be expecting. That's what I'm going to be expecting. So y'all run up to me. Hey, Greg, can I do video with you? Yeah, so you gotta be able to do this, right? So, that's what I'm expecting, and I'm glad you guys are here to help me. Samira, thank you. London, thank you. Ariane, thank you, my man. Appreciate your help. So, they had an assignment on this book, right? And I want y'all to show me. They made promises on what they're going to do for the school year, using that wisdom that we talked about this month. So, great job. You see all of this? Y'all working. You're working. See? All right. So we're going to finish reading the book. Good job. Okay, London, good job. Good job. Right? So we're going to finish reading the book, because we outside. It's still nice outside. Warm. It ain't too cold, right? So it's still nice out here, and we're going to finish reading our book. So we're going to share to you guys. Y'all going to say it with me? Have a good, positive, productive day. See you next week. Y'all wait, bye. See you next week.